exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accused?
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Trina. On this channel, I do DIY, home decor, lifestyle, shopping. If you like that type of content, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. All my returning friends, hey y'all. In today's video, I have another DIY. I'm going to be making over this vanity. If you saw my closet reveal video, you would know that I said I wasn't finished with this closet. So there's a sink on the opposite side of my closet that I don't use, but I was using it as a vanity, and I put a lot of wear and tear on it. So I wanted to refresh it, and right now I'm just cleaning it to prep it so that I can spray paint the faucet and spray paint the inside of the vanity bowl. And also I'm going to add some marble contact paper to the top of the vanity, and I have some wallpaper, and I'm going to be painting the cabinet and the light fixture above the sink. So if you want to see how everything turns out, keep watching. And I want to thank you guys for all your comments and everyone who has subscribed to the channel, because I reached 500 subscribers and I could not have done it without you guys. As you can see, the faucet is painted. Somehow I lost the footage, and I also lost the footage of me spray painting the inside of the vanity bowl. But everything is dry, and I'm covering it up so that I can begin to paint the vanity light and the base of the cabinet.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joan, getting love from my city. Yeah, I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
No one knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
And I won't ever sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, babe.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own rights.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
Still to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. No, you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, babe.
So apparently I wasn't recording when I hung this wallpaper. As you can see, I ran out of wallpaper, but before this video goes up, I will have this completed.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me?
Y'all ready for the closet tour? But before I do that, let me show you what the closet looked like before I made these changes.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it, somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions, to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it. If you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't.
Right, y'all, that's it. That's all. I hope this video inspired you in some way. Like, comment, and subscribe to see what room I make over next. Bye, y'all.